Welcome everybody, my name is Mychal, and this is Drishti. So the loose definition of Drishti is a focal point. And not only a focal point for the eyes, but also a focal point for the mind. So when we are locked into a single point out ahead on the floor or a fixed point, it tremendously helps with balancing in any kind of posture. But also, it helps with the steadiness, the focus, and the concentration of the mind. When our eyes are wandering, oftentimes our mind is wandering as well. So with this practice, we're going to have time to really focus on single postures, one per class, and get to take time to focus on the areas in the body that we can create more strength to support the posture, as well as areas in the body to create a little more length. So we're going to have adequate time to be able to practice these peak postures. And oftentimes in flow or vinyasa classes, we don't necessarily have the time to hold these postures for more than a breath or two. So that by the end of this program, you'll be able to hopefully hold every single one of these postures with a bit more ease in the body, peace in the mind, and more stability, focus, and concentration. Thank you for joining me in this one. I look forward to practicing with you. We'll see you on the mat.